Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will solve the length of the longest common prefix. This is a medium difficulty problem in Leetcode. You are given two arrays with positive integers, array 1 and array 2. A prefix of a positive integer is an integer found by one or more of its digits, starting from its leftmost digit. For example, 123 is a prefix of the integer 12345. We can see this, that the first three digits are similar, while 234 is not. A common prefix of two integers a and b is an integer c, such that c is a prefix of both a and b. For example, 5655359 and 565554 have a common prefix 565. You can see that over here, while 1223 and 43456 do not have a common prefix. You need to find the length of the longest common prefix between all pairs of integers x and y, such that x belongs to ARR1 and y belongs to ARR2. That means array 1 and 2. Return the length of the longest common prefix among all pairs if no common prefix exists among them. Return 0. So we have provided with examples. Example 1, input array 1 has 1, 10 and 100. Array 2 has 1000. So we can see that 100 is the common prefix. So the output is 3. The length of the common prefix is 1s, 10s and 100s. 1, 2, 3. So the output is 3. The explanation is given over here. So let me introduce you to the problem and solution for the problem. First, we can initialize a hash map with string and integer. You can see it over here. And then we are iterating to every element in the array and typecasting it to string. Then we will see every character in the subarray and add it to the prefix. Then we will append it or put that prefix to the prefix map. You can see the condition over here. We will put the prefix. If the prefix is already in the map, we will put the integer plus 1. That means we will get the value and add it with 1, or the default value is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So what this basically does is it iterates through each value of nums in the array 1, typecast is to string, and each of the character is added to a prefix such that we can separate every element. So for example, if we take 100 as the integer, then we will add prefix as 1 and 10 and 100 and 1000. So there we will add 4 prefix map into the prefix map, such that for 10 we will add 1 and 10. For 100 we will add 10 and 100, 1, 10 and 100. We will compare this prefix map with the prefix of array 2. For this, we have to initialize a max length variable which we will return at the end, and the logic of the first for loop is followed. We will get each number as input from the every element of the array. Then we will typecast it to string. We will initialize a prefix variable, and for each character in the string num, we will do the same process by adding each character to the prefix. Like I have said before, for 1000 we will do 1 and then 10 and then 100 and then 1000. If prefix map dot contains this prefix, for example, we will take 10, and prefix map already contains 10. Max length is equal to math.max of max length and prefix length. We can assume that max length is 0. Prefix length would be, what would be the prefix length for 10? So it would be 2. Okay, then max length would be 2. Then we will go into the next iteration. We will consider the prefix 100. We will see if the prefix map contains this. Yes, it would contain the 100. Then we would assign the maximum value to the max length. So the max length would be 3. Then we would finally return max length. This would be the final solution for the find the length of the longest common prefix. Make sure to subscribe